I want you to remember from the beginning of this tutorial when I discussed whitespace. If you recall, when we had the hello world sentence, no matter how much whitespace we added, it was always written on one line. Now, each word is on its own line. That's because the document is now marked up with these different elements which are all considered to be of a block level. There's two basic types of elements, block and inline. Inline elements all display in a line, and block type elements all have line breaks. You can imagine a block around the element bringing the next element to the next line. In fact, we could even get rid of all this white space here, and the web page would still look the same. We only make these line breaks so that it's easier for us as humans to look at. The computer doesn't care. That being said, a common practice is to add tab spaces anytime you open an element. This way, it's even easier to look at. Every element that we look at in this tutorial is going to be of a block type. Okay, so it's finally time to start adding content to this page. I'm going to get rid of the word header here, and I'm going to break open this tag, adding in tab spaces like I just spoke about. Then, inside of the head of the document, I'm going to add this H1 tag, close it, and let's add the name of our website. We'll call it mysite.com. On a new line, with the tab space, we're going to make an H2 tag, close it, and write, where you can learn cool stuff about me. We'll save the document, and go back into our browser, refresh the page, and there's the header of our document. Next, we'll add the section content.